presentation of BB Cap jacket, which is dedicated to the sports people, Paralympic sports people to excel. We are Team Phoenix Squad from Spigna Higher Secondary School. I am Shakti M.S. Nandeshwar studying 8th standard.
I am Varunika studying 8th standard.
I am Nirina Devi studying 8th standard.
I am Surya studying 8th standard.
I am Sri Gokul studying 9th standard.
I am Dharmini studying 9th standard.
The problems faced are the sports injuries can significantly impact in physical and physiological well-being, particularly among the athletes who face a higher rate of illness. The wheelchair basketball and badminton players can often suffer from numerous injuries, and respective of their sports, the traditional wheelchair does not have any backbone to the athlete's spine, and it leads to vulnerable injuries.
Epidemiology of the injury are collected from the Tokyo 2020. 4,403 athletes from 162 countries were monitored prospectively during 3-day pre-competition period and 12-day competition period. 386 injuries were reported by 352 athletes in incidents 5.8 per 1,000 athletes a day. Most of the incidents is in pre-day competition period, then in competition period. Acute injuries are in shoulder and fingers. The injury burden is 10.9% with 35% of time loss of the competition.
As a result, the most of the illness and incidents are faced by the wheelchair badminton, wheelchair basketball, football, and athletes are slightly higher in rate. Most illness are infectious. The wheelchair does not have any back support.
We interact with wheelchair champion Niraj and Ramesh Shanmugam. Niraj is a table tennis and badminton player. Ramesh Shanmugam is badminton, basketball, as well as he is also an athlete in Paralympics. Ramesh Shanmugam got an injury and lost his one of leg. He met an accident, so he lost one of his leg. We interact with Ramesh Shanmugam. We got many ideas about the Paralympic athlete facing problems and the injuries got by them. He was a professor in Repugnant University, and he is also an Paralympic athlete. He was born on Tiruchirappalli.
On the basis of the interaction, we came to the solution that the backbone cap jacket is a groundbreaking solution tailored to address the pressing issue on the back and for the wheelchair basketball and badminton.
The backbone encloses the muscles, bones, tissues, tendons and other tissues that range from the base of the skull near the spinal cord to the tailbone. Spine encloses with the spinal cord and the fluid surrounding it. The parts of the spinal cord are cervical column from C1 to C7 and thoracic from T1 to T7 and lumbar from L1 to L5 and scapular spine from S1 to S5. Each vertebrae is separated by a disc. This jacket provides protection and comfort to specific each region of the spine. One lower cervical support, upper thoracic support, middle thoracic support, lower thoracic support and lumbar region support. Each component is secured by a belt not to move around. It causes many injuries.
The backbone cap jacket is a product for athletes with disabilities or predisposal of the medical condition that is the non-disabled individual. One of the most impairment of the person is the spinal cord injury, that is SCI injury, is encountered in the antemonic direflexa. It is the condition of the person. It is affected on the in or at or above the T6 spinal level.
Few external alternatives. Motorcycle racing armors are very hard cells and back brace of women's and men's chest. OH motorbike often protects their armor, chest and back spine of armor protects motocross. Few target customers. Wheelchair badminton, wheelchair basketball, wheelchair racer, wheelchair
Few unique value propositions. The backbone cap jacket offers Paralympic athletes spinal protection, customized comfort, improved posture, simple and effortless use, posture alignment, protection for cervical, thoracic and lumbar region. The The soft foam cushioning enhances the comfort.
Our utilization to 3D printing and tailoring proved that really advantageous to the Paralympic wheelchair players. We made this project both functionally and comfortably for the wheelchair players to excel in the field.
We would like to introduce different methods of revenue streams for BB Guide jacket. The first one is basic BB Guide jacket and the second one is a BB Guide jacket with spinal cord and bone vibrator which helps them to reduce the stress of the bone.
Cost of structure. Cost of manufacturing is rupees 1,500 and profit is at 10% and GST at 18%. The total selling price is 1,947.
Our special thanks to Law Foundation Dassault System and Atal Innovation Mission for giving this opportunity to
Thank you.
Thank you.